Hey everyone, I just wanted to check in with you. You can see that I have a little bit of the allergies and the cold going around, but we have come to the final week, and so I just wanted to do a quick little check in with you. Um, so far, it looks like everybody has been completing their work judiciously, and I hope that you guys have been enjoying the course. Um, In terms of the final, basically what's going to happen is on Monday morning of finals week, I will open the final exam, and you will have the entire week to take it at your leisure. Just making sure that it's completed by the end of the day on Friday. And in terms of sort of late work, this Sunday, when Module 10 needs to be turned in, I will go in and I will put in zeros for assignments that have not been completed. That way, when you complete your final exam, you will have a good understanding of what your final score is. A couple people have brought up some slight clarifications about their grade. I think that it will all work itself out once every category is filled with a grade, including the final exam. So, keep an eye on that. Make sure that, the grade is correct and where you want it. And of course, I can help talk you through if you're not understanding why the grade is the way that it is. So, please remember to fill out your course evaluation by this Friday. And I hope that you've enjoyed the course, and I look forward to reading all your papers and your evaluations, etc. So have a great rest of the week. Good luck on the final exam, and I will talk to you soon. Please email me or text me with any questions that you have. All right.